These new studios are really going to revolutionise the way we teach journalism. We've taught journalism for a long time at Marjon, but it's always been serious play, I guess you could call it. Well, now when we come in here, as soon as you step inside these studios, as most students have done, you realise this is serious play. So we've got really high-end broadcast equipment. Students are going to get proper hands-on experience, which is going to stand them instead for the first jobs they're going to get. The equipment we have in the radio studio is the same as the BBC have in their radio studios. Broadcast TV equipment is professional standard. So again, they're going to get those extra skills, which really is going to set them apart from the other candidates for the first jobs they apply for, and plus the amount of work experience that we're going to have working with Nextdoor, but also working with other media providers in the Southwest. It's going to be really key for them going forward. So this is a really exciting time. This is a kind of watershed moment really for us at Marjon. So hopefully we get students really keen to engage with journalism across the whole spectrum of that profession. So yeah, we're really excited.
It's not just good for journalism students, it's going to be really exciting for all of the university students. There are lots of ways that the BBC can offer opportunities to them. So already our acting and performing arts students are thinking about recording radio plays here. Our musicians want to come and record songs. Lots of people interested in making podcasts from a variety of disciplines. So it will be open to lots of students, which will be great.
So yeah, I'm really excited about this opportunity to work in the BBC building. I'm really excited for the green screen room. I've never been able to use one of them, but I have so many ideas to try out, and it's a walk-in one, so it's like you walk into a set. Will be absolutely amazing to try. There's also so many radio rooms. I would love to produce a radio live lounge type show with artists coming in, and here I can actually do that, and it's going to be professional.
The thing I'm most excited about is being so close to the BBC building would be my number one, because already we're meeting so many people from the BBC, chatting to them, networking, getting emails, getting contacts, which for a future career is just so exciting. But also the equipment and the facilities we have here are just second to none, and you really feel like you're in an actual studio, or you feel like you're on a real set. It doesn't feel like you're pretending at university, it feels like you're doing the real thing. And I think we really are doing the real thing here. So I think that's what, for me, is the most exciting part about this new building.